Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend Google Meet time limit. Method 1, restart the meeting. If you're using the free version of Google Meet and hit the 60-minute time limit for group calls, here's a quick workaround. Click the Leave Call button to end the meeting. Click Return to the Google Meet home screen. Start a new meeting and invite all the participants again. Note, this is a temporary fix and can be a bit inconvenient if you're in the middle of a discussion. Method 2, upgrade to Google One Premium. If you want a smoother experience without interruptions, on the Google Meet homepage, look for the Start Trial or Google One Premium prompt. You can try it free for 1 month. Then it's $599 per month. Once upgraded, you'll unlock up to 24 hours of uninterrupted group video calls, more cloud storage, and other Google Workspace features. This is the best solution for the professionals, teachers, and teams who rely on longer meetings. And that's it. That's how to extend Google Meet time limit. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.